Hey there, my name is Michael. I'm doing this video kind of as a request for some of my clients, and some of them need some help with grounding, clearing, and if this helps you, like it, comment, do that sort of thing. It's been a while since I've put out any videos, but yeah, enjoy. So we're just going to do a breathing exercise, pulling energy up from the earth, from Mother Earth, feeling her love surround us. And then when we breathe out, we're releasing the tension in our body, go through every muscle, and just release them one at a time. And when you breathe out, let go of your emotions. Really focus on your heart center, seeing it bright, seeing your energy fill up with that light. Every breath in pulls in light, and there's energy coming down from source, ball of light above your head. It's a direct line to source God consciousness, and just allow that to fill you up all over through your every muscle, every part of your blood vessels, your organs, your heart, your mind. Allow it all to fill up and pressurize outwards the energy to get rid of any of that nonsense energy, other people's energy, stuff you don't need and don't want anymore, and force it out down into the earth. Okay? So we're just going to breathe in and breathe out. So breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold it. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Releasing. Now breathe in, pulling energy up. 2, 3, 4. Holding and allowing the energy to circulate through your aura and body. And release. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold. Just picture the center of the earth, pulling energy up. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold. See that energy fluctuate through your body, connecting you to the earth, into your spirit. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Releasing your tension, releasing any anger. Now breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold. Feel that energy pulling up. And then force the negative energy out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold. Just connect with your heart. Breathe it in. Breathe the positive energy in. Breathe in the love through all your organs and chakras. Going into your mind, circling around. And then when you breathe out now, 1, 2, it's coming down and releasing the tension into the earth. And that's it. Just keep repeating that over and over again. It's a fairly simple exercise, but the visualization is pretty key. Seeing the light coming up from the earth and then releasing back down into the earth. Having the streamline of energy coming down through you the whole time can also help, but the visualization of the ball of light above you, adding another layer to the energy. One part that we can do right now is breathe energy into our aura, creating a barrier between us and the outside world. So breathe in, breathe all that energy in, both directions, filling your aura up, and see it outlining about 4 feet on all sides, kind of an egg shape, and then release and see any of the energy you don't want to go back into the earth. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, outlining the aura, making it a little bit thicker. Hold it. Feel the energy release, breathe out. Connecting to the earth. Breathe in, brightening your aura, making it a little bit bigger on all directions. And breathe out. Letting go. Always visualize a perfect, clean aura. Picture your favorite color. A lot of people's favorite color is actually pretty similar to what their aura looks like, I've found. It's not every case. Above 70%, I would say, but definitely work on this and just breathe in and out. And anytime you feel frustrated, find some alone time and just breathe and visualize the energy coming in. And the more you do it, the more you practice this, the more you will get better control, and you'll actually be able to feel the energy more and more the more you do it. So in a year from now, if you did it, say, twice a week or 3 times a week, you'd have a lot less of other people's energy in your field, but you'd also have a little bit bigger aura, a little bit stronger energy. But the main thing is you'll be feeling it by then. So it's worth that.